Day 3 La Digue. Let's go. Anse Source today via Union Reserve. Mountain Dew pitch black with punch and blue shock.
Raspberry citrus flavor, huh?
Now get it. One of that and one of that.
What is shiny?
Try the shaper also.
What?
A shaper.
Orange. Why is mommy getting all the stuff, dude?
She's the puck donkey.
I'm always the puck donkey.
You want a shandy?
Thank you, Alex.
A shiny? It's like berry flavor. I don't know.
Come out of the fridge.
Are you gonna take it?
Leonion Estate, Park Boat Yard, Leonion Jetty, the Giant Rock, Plantation House, Giant Baby Tortoises, Vanilla Plantation, Historical Cemetery. Let's go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Okay, got our wristbands. 150 Seychelles rupee per person. It's an ancient historic cemetery. Don't know if you can go in here, but let's see. Can't even see the descriptions on the graves anymore. Eilandje. Daar zo. Just check the little island there. Oh wow. This is a gorgeous beach, my goodness. And it looks pretty clear, so no stones and any coral to deal with, so you can swim quite nicely here. Wow, this is awesome. Look at that. Look at our little island over there. A nice little beach. Okay, drone shot's done. It's the secluded beach, Source d'Argent. Let's go to the next. This is called the Copra Mill Molin. Let's go see you all. Oh wow. Look at this. So this turns could work. Actually works. Wow. And the ox cart here. Copra clean. Clean. Coconuts. So check that side. If you ring the bell, then it's then it means food is ready. Take a look at the old house. Let's go check the lookout. Yeah, with the coconuts. There's another ladder going where?
Up into check when you look.
Kiki bicycle. Can you ride this bike? The big wheel. Alex riding the smaller big wheel.
In the open. Where do I open? Where shall I ride?
And Nick trying the big wheel.
Oh, this is not a slip. This is not a slip gear. It's just gonna keep going. I can't.
You have to pedal to maintain your
Oh, yikes.
balance, basically.
Oh, yikes.
Okay, run, and you have to run and
I don't even know how we'll get on. So like,
no, one foot and then you swing your other foot over.
it's not a slip.
Huh?
It's not a slip. It doesn't slip.
Yeah, put it. Go forward.
So I
Go
would
forward.
I would
Go
run
forward.
and my foot would
No,
go
no.
like off.
Put forward,
Huh?
like that. Now you step. When you step,
But then how am I supposed to run forward to get on it?
huh? Mommy's doing it. Mommy's doing it. Wow! Look. Don't fall, mommy. And Nick is still trying.
That is too high. That's a
Okay, go.
very high.
If you fall, you
just
just
run
have to put your foot down.
You can't put your foot down. Someone hold it. Then the first. At least on this one you can put your foot down. Then put both feet on here and jump up on the seat.
Wait, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Okay, go.
Do I get? Are you holding? Are you holding?
I'm holding. Sit.
Oh no.
Are you
Oh
sitting?
no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 never. How would I go forward?
Go, go, go. Don't let go, it's a bite. Don't let go. Go, go, go.
Alex
Turn
doing
around,
it, yay! Turn!
Turn around.
Turn!
Turn around.
This way!
Turn.
Other way.
Turn around. You can turn around.
Yeah, go, 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 go!
Go.
Space! Yeah! You're doing it! Yes, 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 yes! Wow! Nice job!
That's
Yeah,
so
record
good.
mommy, me and mommy. I'm gonna pull mommy on the cart
Nick,
thing.
you need to get on. You need to get on.
I tried that one. I tried that one.
Don't try this one. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. Oh my goodness.
Only 50 rupees. 50 rupees.
Not both of us? Can Daddy carry us over? What? You need to bring it back. Morgen is jouw arm zeer. Yo, you
try?
47.
Only 50 rupees.
You try and pull.
It's a
Yeah, Nicholas is gonna try and pull you.
Oh no.
Wait!
And Alex pull me. You're gonna fall. Nicholas heeft die zadige kami.
Go!
Don't run. Oh, I'm okay. That's so.
Yeah!
Brakes, no brakes. Oh, that's the kid.
To the plantation house. I was not. Look at this tree. Sure.
Like Pacific or something. Yeah, it was 1977. No, 18.
What the heck is he holding? What are these guys holding?
Yikes.
What are they holding?
Hey, this being into the water. That's why it's green.
It's now a Takamaka store. $20 for umbrella, $3.75 for a hoodie. That's not bad. $2.50, $4.50 for a big
Beach
bag.
towel. Oh, the Takamaka.
Takamaka shirt is $3.40.
What size?
Or
It's a
60.
free size. Free size. Okay, but I'll show you.
Hmm?
It smells like incense.
Okay. Break.
$2.50 for the hat. Look, yeah, nice.
Nice tijden. For the beach.
Mm. 335, 400.
Sorry. Siri. Sorry. Siri. Siri. No, that's for a fish.
Oh. Yes, there's a lot now.
Yeah, you can let it.
So sweaty.
When you get into flush, then you get
Interesting.
O hierdie die vrou sê as ek te veel gebitten word, dan gaan ek 'n fever kry.
Mother.
Huh? The chair is that kind, Randall.
Oh, it's over there.
Yes, but the chair is that side. He hasn't sat in the chair yet.
Huh? Gossip? Ik wil nog snel een video maken.
Is het goed te skippen? Waiting season en maak die tyd geraak. Ja.
Kijk.
Ja.
Let's go to the bigger.
By Zanzibar was it by Zanzibar?
This is the Stylo di Tortue. And there's some tortoises procreating over here. So big one. Jeez. Russia la Digue Island. $750 million years old. Wow. So this granite rock, 750 million years old. Hello. This is the medicinal garden.
Not nice. But the orange sour sop. Sour sop is nice. The fruit sour sop.
Ah, apple.
Twin apple. Boa zuzor.
Die bloody citronella is die.
Periwinkle. Noni.
Tangerine. Oh. Arre.
Devil's blackbone.
En chocolate.
The coconut. They use coconut for medicine also? Lion's ear. Pomegranate. Hibiscus. Got candle bush over here. Tamarind. This is a poison nut.
Going to wash
100 wristband. Takamakali complimentary.
I'm tasting for choose for from list. Wristband complimentary. Kijk eens zo.
Mm.
Als ze
Same. This is the vanilla plantation.
sendiri vanilla.
This? Can you smell it? I don't know.
Nee, dat moet flour en dan maak het pods.
Not the season for
It actually
harvesting vanilla at the moment. That's the flower pod. The vanilla.
Oh, daar waar die bunnies.
Oh, look at the eggplants. Time for Source, the Argent Beach. Yep.
czuję, że na łódce. Ale pytam cię w ogóle.
Where are you going?
Jak chcesz. Mam jedno.
Może na ten, może jak będziecie jeździć tym pociągiem.
There's a lake of beachy.
So he's preoccupied.
Oh wow.
Grab me. Because if he lets go, he's gonna fall.
Big
See,
boy.
he's trying to get away, but he can't. He's stuck. You see? So
Spider
maybe we can
crab.
help
Why
him.
did he go on the... Not
Spider
spider
crab.
Maybe we can help him get. Otherwise,
This is just stunning. Look at this. Water under the rocks here.
Видела.
Okay. Swing now. Okay, I push you.